Hey guys, we're going parasailing today. My parents surprised us with this. We didn't expect it. They have a camera with a high-powered zoom lens. I forget what kind of camera it is. And they have a GoPro Hero 4. They're going to put on a stick and tie it to our wrist. And we're going to hold the stick, and I'm going to get the footage on the phone too. So, yeah, I'll keep you updated. Bye for now, though. Hey guys, so we're on the boat right now, going to the parasailing area. Alrighty, I'm very excited. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna be like, but I hope it's good. It better be good. Sorry for my phone's speech. Alright guys, sorry for the major wind noise. So I just got in my harness. So I didn't record the safety briefing, but basically they told us that we're gonna go to the back of the boat on the back deck, use a railing to get up the steps, sit down. They're gonna lift us up, and then we're gonna have the opportunity to get our feet dipped in the water. And again, sorry for the wind noise. And then they said they're gonna go up and go back down on the back deck. So they said that phones can go right here. I think. So yeah, that's what it's like right now. Probably the next video will be on a GoPro and not on my iPhone. Alright.
Ready?
Yeah. Whoa! Whoa! Ah! Alright guys, we're up in the air! Woo! Oh my gosh!
Ready, keep going.
My god!
Whoa!
This is insane! Holy crap!
Right? It's crazy!
Holy crap!
This is our ocean view!
I didn't even know. Oh my gosh.
You know what?
I don't know. I'm a little scared.
Woo!
Oh my gosh. This is insane.
Bro, we're like thousands of feet over the water.
I can barely hear the boat.
Right?
I can barely hear the boat, guys. Oh, the wind's nice.
It's crazy.
I can still see down.
Yeah, you can still see the water.
This is insane.
There's a fish.
We interrupt this program to show a video, which is a scale of just how high we were when we were parasailing. My mom took this from the dock. She zoomed in as much as she could on her phone, but we still looked like dots.
All right, everyone, if you see that little dot in the air, it's blue and white. That's Katrina and Andrew up on the parasail. Looks like they're going higher and higher. They're going up to 800 feet. Sorry I can't zoom in any further, but I'm on the dock. That's as far as my phone will go.
Back to the program. Where?
Go in the water right there. In the water.
Oh my god.
Woo! This is insane. How's the harness?
This is so weird. I don't even...
It is weird.
I'm lost for freaking words. Whoa, it feels like I'm just...
What does it feel like?
I'm like holding up a freaking deer alive.
Yup. There's the parachute.
I can barely hear. I can't even hear the boat.
You can't even hear the boat?
Barely.
I know. I can't even see where the dock is. Oh, there it is. All the way over there.
Oh my gosh. Holy crap.
Right?
This is insane.
It is insane.
Are we still going upwards?
We're steadying right now. Oh, now we're going up.
Oh my god. Daddy was right. It is quiet.
It is quiet up
Oh
here.
my god. Whoa.
Whoa.
I'm like scared to look behind me right now.
You're scared to look behind you?
Yeah.
Look behind you. It's good. It's just big ocean with some sailboats.
I'm afraid I'm gonna fall off.
There's some sailboats, some regular boats. There's some wave runners. There's some people on
Jet
the
skis?
tubes. There's some wave runners. The water.
You have to turn your ears like.
Yeah, you
Katrina,
just,
turn the GoPro microphone.
I don't know where the GoPro microphone is actually right now. So I'm just winging it, and if it sounds like wind, it sounds like wind.
Bruh. Okay.
My butt is like hanging out.
So is mine.
Nice.
Ooh. And I'm not getting a wedgie though. I was surprised. I was like thinking they're actually going to use like a hydraulic motor system on the boat, but they're actually using the wind.
Nice.
I can hear the music on the boat. Well, maybe.
Hear the music on the boat? Yeah, you can hear it.
Barely.
Hey,
Oh
that's
my
pretty
God,
good.
this is like.
There's a boat behind us. I can hear that boat.
There's beside us.
What?
There's one beside us too.
Just go for a second.
It is.
Yes, very heavy.
Woo!
Andrew.
What?
Do the typical peace sign song.
What?
Peace sign, right?
Just so you guys know, I added that iPhone photo sound in post for added effect. Alright, I'm gonna record something on my watch just in case the GoPro's picking me up. That didn't work. It was a lost cause. The recording got so windy, so yeah, but I left this part in so you could see what I did say in the recording, but everything was deleted from the recording. So yeah, that was a lost cause. Alright guys, so we're on the parasail. You can't really see. Can you aim the camera at me? Yeah. Alright. So we're on the parasail. I'm recording on my watch's microphone because I don't really know what it's gonna be like. So I'm gonna have the GoPro's audio file, I think, as well, too. So yeah, it's gonna be easy.
This is really quiet.
It is. This is really quiet. Alright, I'm gonna stop it, guys. Whoop whoop. Oh, there's the parachute up there. Actually, I can't even. Where's the parachute? I can't see it.
It's all the way above us.
I
It's a
can't
big blue and white parachute.
I can't see it.
You can't see it.
I don't know.
Are you excited to get
I don't know if I should just.
Are you excited to get dipped?
Yeah. I don't know if I should do this, Katrina. Should I just lean back?
Yeah, you can. It's like a seat.
God, this is wonderful.
Ready, look towards me. Ready?
This is wonderful.
It's lit up here.
What?
Lit up here.
Can you turn it on?
Turn what on?
The light.
No, it's lit. Like,
Oh. Sorry. I was like, oh, there it is.
Lit.
I think the GoPro. Yeah.
any lit.
Are we going down?
No. We're chilling.
Oh. If you like. What? I do.
What?
I would do this. I would. I really would.
This is really.
Katrina, look. What?
What?
What are these two hooks for?
I don't know yet, but let's see it up. Woo woo! There's some boats. Look, there's the boat. A boat. There's our boat. That little thing down there.
I can't see it.
You can't see it. You can hear the boat behind us.
I can barely hear it. Oh. This is gonna be a major editing job, Katrina. Why? Because I have the voice memo recording now. Past Andrew, this is going to be a major editing job, but not for the reason you thought it was going to be. At the time you were right, but now you're wrong. Wait, are we going down?
I think so. I don't know. Yeah, we are. Guys, we're heading down. It was a wonderful weather.
Trina, you know what? Wait, we're going up again.
We are going up again.
Look. Check your watch.
What? 119.
Yeah, it's tracking my stuff up here. It thinks I'm moving. Well, I mean, I kind of am. I'm just not doing the movement.
Woo! Now we're like straight up.
Wow.
Wonderful. It's really windy.
Wait, we're leveling out with the boat.
No, we're not. I mean, we're going above the boat, kind of.
Yeah.
Whoa.
I can see it.
You can feel it too. Whoa.
You can feel the boat.
Woo! No, you can feel us like. We're
You
going
can hear
in.
the vibrations
We're
of the
going
boat.
in. We're going in.
We're going down.
Oh, yeah, ready? Water. Ready? We're gonna hit the water.
Whoa! Alrighty guys, so we just got back from parasailing. Sorry for the crazy winds. That was insane, guys. I got that on GoPro, plus a couple of images. A bunch of images actually. Sorry for the wind in the microphone. Anyways, we're heading back to the dock now. So yeah, catch you when we're at the dock. Bye for now. Hey guys, so I forgot to film the footage that we took from the from the dock. I was supposed to film, or either that or I lost it. But yeah, as you know, my opinion, though, from when I was on the boat, when we were on the boat coming back from parasailing, it was a great trip. It was a great time. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye for now.